Okie dokie. Let's start off the full grill burger. This is the sauce for it. I kind of have some of it in there already. What you'll need to make this is a cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of yellow mustard, 2 tablespoons of Tabasco or less depending on taste, a teaspoon of paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper each, half a teaspoon of cayenne, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Stir all this together and simmer for about 10 minutes over a low to medium-low heat. All right, out to the grill, and what you can see here is up there we have a 1/4 pound bratwurst patty that I've already started, and I just added a 1/4 pound hamburger patties that I seasoned up with just a standard steak seasoning. You can certainly season it with whatever you like, salt, pepper, my all-purpose, just whatever you like. The brats will take a little longer than the beef patties. Beef patties, probably 3 minutes aside, if that. Brats will be about 5 or 6 minutes aside. You do want to test the brats with an instant read thermometer. It's not beef. You can't eat it raw. It's pork. Okay, and through the magic of cooking show editing, the beef burgers are done at the very least. And so I'm topping each one of them with a slice of white cheddar cheese. The brats still have a bit to go. Once again, you have to love the magic of cooking show editing. The brat burgers are now done, and I'm topping them with a slice of baby Swiss cheese. All right, give this a couple of minutes to melt, and then we'll take them in the house. All right, let's start assembly of the burger. You want to take a handful of shredded iceberg lettuce, what I believe to be the best lettuce for a burger. Oh, you also want to make sure to nicely toast up your buns. On that lettuce bed, lay your beef patty, followed by your brat patty. Or brat patty, beef patty, doesn't matter. Now it's time for a red onion ring. Tomato slice. Again, these are optionals. You do it how you like it. Don't forget the most important thing, and that is that barbecue sauce. Get a spoon. Give this burger a good old dollop in the well of that onion. Top it off, and that's it. The full grill burger. Done.